All right. Little secret spot. So my main purpose coming in here today is just to get a few wide angle shots. This place is really, really sick. Really good photographic opportunities. It's actually at a small college. To my knowledge, they planted it some years back and it just got out of hand, just ridiculous. Sony A7Sll. Everybody's like, oh, it's not for photos, but it works perfectly fine for photos for me. Got the Canon 1635 f4. Got the Sigma adapter for Christmas, so. Coolest shots when I'm looking straight up to 1635. I mean, like a lot of photographers and videographers, you're used to being behind the camera. I'm not really used to being in front of the camera, so I'm trying to get into it a little more. And vlog, I gotta think of a better name for it. Vlog, it's so, everybody says that. So. I mean, I might sit out here for an hour and snap 100 photos just to get a couple that I feel like are the ones I like. Cut to the slow-mo. Filming currently with the Panasonic LX 100. I got this camera mainly because I wanted a good pocket camera, essentially one that I could just have on me most of the time and pull out. And oh, those like curves of bamboo up there look awesome. I just gotta figure out how to get up there. This is gonna be a challenge because all of this is falling apart. Oh yeah. Those are really cool bend over. I got the sun coming right in. Now I just gotta find a vantage point that I want to try to shoot them from. I want to see the curvature, but I want to see the sun also streaking in. Let's see what we got. Sometimes you see something visually cool, but you can't always capture it how you want to on camera. It's always one of the challenges, but it's part of it, and it's a good challenge. These bamboo are just creaking and swaying in here. Let's see if I can't capture it this way. Something along around here. Thankfully I got my low light beast. It is pretty low light in here. Even the Lumix hold its weight. I think I'm shooting on like ISO 1600 right now. Video still looks great. I usually use my ISO as kind of my wild card. You know, I'll get my aperture set for however much I want in focus. Get my shutter speed set to where it's not too low, and if it's in a low light situation like this, I'll go as low as I can handheld with the shutter speed. Then just use my ISO as the wild card. I mean, grain is grain. Either you're going to get the picture you want, and it may have to be grainy, or you're not going to get the picture you want. So